children, welcome back to the class. So today let us continue the lesson volcanic eruptions. So in previous class we studied about the volcanic eruptions, and today we will study the types of volcanoes. Types of volcanoes. So dear children, as we know, a volcano is an opening on the earth's surface through which magma, so-called hot molten rock, comes out. So the opening on the surface of the earth is called a vent. When the magma flows out of the vent, it is called lava. So along with the lava, hot gases and ash comes out. As the lava cools down gradually, it forms a volcanic mountain. Then also we studied how the lava becomes a volcanic mountain and how the volcanic will be shaped. So even it is called as a crater. So today we will study about the types of volcanoes. So there are three types of volcanoes. How many types, children? There are three types of volcanoes. So you look at this picture. This is the crater. This is the entrance, I can say, or the vent. So it looks like a bowl. So called after shaping like a volcanic mountain. So this is the round which you can see. It is called a crater. So the Rio do lava, you can see here, lava, the material. So how the lava comes out. Look at the pictures. The surface of the earth, the layers of the earth, and the vent, and the molten rock, and the magma, hot gases, and the ash. How it comes out and it flows. Okay. So next we'll study the types of volcanoes. Of course, the first one is active volcano. Active volcano. So the name itself says active means the very active, energetic, active. Still, it is existing. So these are the most dangerous ones. These are the most dangerous ones because these are the volcanoes occur very often. Very often these volcanoes occur. Not that comes once in a year and goes off for many years, not so. So this active volcano is one of the volcano which occurs very often. These volcanoes have erupted recently and can erupt again. So these volcanoes have been erupted recently and there are chances of erupting again and again. So recently more than 1,20,000 persons fled from the nearly places of Mount Hogong volcano in Bali, Indonesia. See children, recently means it must be like 1 year, 2, 3 years back ago, there was an active volcano erupted. So due to this, 1,20,000 persons, those who fled from the nearly places, those who are closer to this Mount Hangango. So the people have vacated their places and they have gone somewhere else because the volcano, because very often the volcanoes have been erupting, so therefore people have vacated the places and they have moved to the different places. So the second one is dormant volcanoes. Dormant volcanoes, you can see here, these are the pictures, you can see type of volcano. shear, written air, vent, crater, and lava flowing. Lava flow from a secondary vent, layers of the dirt, and magma chamber, main vent, and the crust. This is the crust, the surface of the earth, and the mantle and the core. So these are the earth of the surface of the earth and the layers of the earth and the parts of the volcano. How the types of volcano happens, types of volcano takes place. So they have erupted in the past and not erupted for many years. Of course, in the past they have been erupted, but now many years have passed so far. The dormant volcanoes not have been erupted anymore again. So, but they have chances of erupting, but there is a chances of erupting, but as per the study goes, so the dormant volcanoes not have taken place. So they are also called sleeping volcanoes. They are also called sleeping volcanoes because it is not much dangerous. It doesn't even take place. So example, Mount Fujiyama in Japan. So these are the sleeping volcanoes especially occur in Japan. So Mount Vesuvius, which was considered extinct, erupted recently. Extinct means so it is gone away. No more can be seen this type of volcanoes. So the third type of volcanoes is dead or extinct volcano. Dead or extinct volcano means it is no more. It is no more existing. So it is extinct as already has vanished. So they have not erupted for thousands of years. Example, Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa. Volcanic areas are mostly found along the Pacific Ocean. It is called the ring of fire. Ring of fire. So, children, these are the types of volcanoes. So, there are three types of volcanoes. The first one is active volcanoes. They are the most dangerous ones. Most dangerous ones. These volcanoes have erupted recently and can erupt again. So, when the volcano has taken place, nearly more than 1,20,000 persons were fled away from the nearby places because people were afraid of the volcanic eruptions. So, therefore, people have moved from those places and they have been settled somewhere else. And the second one we studied, that is dormant volcanoes. Dormant volcanoes. So these are also called as sleeping volcanoes, not much dangerous. You know, sleeping volcanoes means what will be the height of the volcano coming out. So these are not any dangerous. So of course, the earlier days there was a chances of erupting this dormant volcanoes, but now they have been not. Many years over, many years past, so these volcanoes are not erupted, but there will be chances, but there are chances cannot be predicted. Then third one we saw, that is the dead volcano. So far these volcanoes are not have been erupted. Now 1,000 years have been passed, so these volcanoes are not taken place. So this is all about volcanic eruptions, children. So we have studied how the volcano comes out, what type of volcano it is, so called magma, hot molten rock, and what is the vent, and how the lava flows out, and how the hot gases and the ash also comes out of the vent, and finally the gradually when the lava cools down, they form the volcanic mountains as you have seen in the pictures. And finally, a bowl-shaped alloy is found at the top, which is called the crater. So, children, this is all about the volcanic eruptions. So next class we'll study about the precautions and the tsunamis, and finally the conclusion of the natural disasters. So please go through the lesson, read the lesson well, and try to understand. Okay, thank you.